In this video, I'm going to share with you top 5 YouTube channel ideas that you may start without showing your face. Now might be wondering if you can monetize your channel without showing your face. The answer is yes, you can still be able to monetize your YouTube channel without showing your face. So let's begin. Hello guys. Welcome to Cash Cow channel series. Here I will teach you how you can start your own online business with YouTube. Also you will learn how to grow a YouTube channel in few days. You will get lots of channel ideas and high-paying niches. So make sure to subscribe to this channel with notification on to get everyday update. Thank you. Idea number 1. Top 10 channel. Now, this is another straightforward one. All you do is compile a list of the top 10 best anything and create a video for it. Popular channels in this area include Top 10s, Top 5 Best, Watch Mojo, Tech Gumbo, and A Lux. A Lux for example focuses on, the most expensive watches in the world or the top 10 richest families in the world, and they get millions of views doing this. They use stock footage for the images and then add in some pictures and then do a voiceover on it. Also you don't have to show your face, you can literally do this just by adding free stock footage video and images. Again, this is a relatively easy one, you can do yourself if you can compile interesting lists that are kind of clickbait but have mass appeal, then you'll do really well with this one. As you can see, this channel Top 10s is the best example of this niche. You can see, they are not showing their face, they only show free stock footage videos and images and adding a voiceover on it. As you can see, they are earning around $10,000 to $172,000 per month just from the ad revenue, which is a very big amount. Also they get around 43 million views in last 30 days. Idea number 2. Gaming. Gameplay videos will always be popular. You just record yourself playing a game, showing walkthroughs about how to complete a game, or you could put together your best highlights or cool tips and tricks. Dynamo Gaming is an example of this type of channel. He has 10 million subscribers and he gets around 12 million views a month. He normally doesn't show his face in his videos, and you can do the same. Sometimes he puts his face in the thumbnail, but that's not entirely necessary. You can achieve a similar level of success without showing your face in these videos. Again, gaming is hugely popular depending on the game you choose, it will get millions of hits a month. So, gaming is a great niche where you will find lots of products to promote. But the sales or conversion depends on the traffic, and YouTube is a free traffic source. So, if you are interested in gaming, then you should try a gaming channel now. As you can see, this channel Dynamo Gaming is the best example of this niche. You can see, they do gameplay video and gaming live stream on their channel. As you can see, they are earning around $3,000 to $47,000 per month from the ad revenue, which really a very big amount. Also they get around 12 million views in last 30 days. Idea number 3. Software tutorial. Now if you don't have any camera gear or don't want to film anything, you could do software tutorials. No need to show your face or use a camera, you just need a screen recorder, a mic, and video editor. This is what you can do. You don't have to show your face, but you can record your screen and provide online tutorials about how to use various software. In this case, you don't need a camera, but you would need a good quality microphone and a screen recorder. You can use OBS Studio, which is a free screen recorder, and there are plenty of others also available for absolutely free. You will have to plan your tutorials in advance and have some knowledge of the software you are using. As you can see, this channel Learn with Seb is the best example of this niche. You can see, they are not showing their face, they only show screen recording of their screen and adding a voiceover on it. As you can see, they are earning around $500 per month from the ad revenue, which is quite a decent amount. Also they get around 150,000 views in last 30 days. Idea number 4. Product reviews. You can literally review any product you have lying around the house or review any new product you purchase. All you have to do is film the product in action and give your thoughts on it. No need to show your face, just film the product in action, talk about the features and benefits and possibly reasons why people should buy it. You might need a decent camera and some good lighting. You will also need a good microphone to capture decent footage, however you don't need to spend thousands on new gear. Depending on your phone, you could literally record it on your smartphone. The cameras on modern phones are pretty decent. So, if that's how you want to go, you can start with that. Obviously you should try and make it as professional as possible, and then, it's just a matter of editing the footage together. If you have a passion for any particular products or are quite entertaining, then this would be a good niche for you. You may also need to record your voice, but you can do this all without showing your face on YouTube. As you can see, this channel Household Hacker is the best example of this niche. You can see, they are not showing their face, they film the cinematic shoot of the product and then they add voiceover on it. As you can see, they are earning anywhere from $88 to $1.4 thousand per month just from the ad revenue, and that's really a very big amount. Also, they get around 350,000 views in last 30 days. Idea number 5. Product unboxing. This is also similar to product review, but in this niche, you have to unbox the product in front of camera. So instead of a full review, you film the product being unboxed. You can still talk about what's inside the boxes, the features you get with it, and possibly how to set it up. However, this is not as in-depth as product reviews. Again, you will need a camera, a mic, and some good lighting, or make sure there's natural lighting coming in from a window, and then you can produce high-quality content. Channels like these are good for affiliate commissions with Amazon because unboxings are usually the last thing people look at before buying the product. The consumer will often already have made up their mind about buying a product, and now they literally just want to see what's inside the box before buying it. So if you're the last link they click on before buying it, you will get an affiliate commission again. Your face doesn't have to be in the video, but your hands might be depending on how you want to film the video. As you can see, this channel The Relaxing End is the best example of this niche. You can see, they are not showing their face, they show only their hands with gloves and unbox different products, as you can already see in their video. First they record the video and then they voice over on it. As you can see, they are earning anywhere from $6,000 to $100,000 from the ad revenue, and that's really a very big amount. Also, they get around 26 million views in last 30 days. I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it and make sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you don't miss out any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next videos.